Hello everyone, welcome to another video. It's Goli. Today I want to share my experience with the platform, so a learning platform which I have already taken 2 courses of that, and I found it really practical and helpful and wanted to share also with you. It is called Practical DevSecOps, as you can see my screen. They have a lot of courses, a lot of labs, a lot of certificates, lots of things, right? So here is my dashboard. So let's log into my dashboard. If you see, I have taken 2 courses so far, and here is a list of all the courses that they provide. Yeah, so cloud courses, security courses, AI courses, software courses, threat modeling, practical DevSecOps, writing CI/CD, everything. Yeah, so a lot of courses. So with lots of practical labs. Yeah, that's the most important thing, which I really like about this platform. And I really like this course and the platform, so that's why I wanted also to share with you. So let's have a look there. So this is a practical DevSecOps video and course which I already shared a video about it and some about the exam certificate, so I will link the video to this video. But now today I want to talk more about the AI security course. Yeah, as you see, so this is the AI security course, and it's from my opinion is extremely good. Yeah, before starting this course I had no idea about how it works under the hood, so AI, chatbots, LLMs. And here, after this course, now I have much more and better understanding of it, right? As you can see, the course has 9 chapters. Yeah, introduction to AI. There are videos regarding AI, and after that, you can see understanding and attacking large language models, so LLMs, and then top 10 vulnerability, which are threatening chatbots and LLMs. And then after that, in chapter 4, you can see AI attacks and threat modeling and supply chain attacks. So if you open one of them, for example, the threat modeling AIs, you can see there are videos what are the threat models, and there are some labs. Yeah, so how to do threat models for them. Or if we go, for example, supply chain attacks, you can see there are again some videos, so we will understand what it is. And after that, there are labs. Yeah, creating a trojanized neural network models, or creating trojanized model, scanning models for any vulnerability, any security. Or here, for example, if we go for DevOps, you can see AI models in DevOps, static analysis test, finding and fixing vulnerabilities in AI models. So a lot of labs and a lot of videos, right? So as you can see here, for example, in this chapter, there are 11 videos and 6 hands-on exercises, and the other one 18 labs, other one 13 labs. It's a lot of labs, right? So I found it really good, and at the end it's a process to tell you how you can get the exam, how you can get the certification, and also a practice exam. Yeah, so before going for the real exam, you can have a look here, so then you understand what to expect in the exam day, right? So this course is extremely helpful. As you can see, in general, it has 107 videos, 58 hands-on labs. There is 1 certificate exam voucher there as well. And as you can see here, it is showing you how many days left for your access there. So basically, this is a great course. Yeah, I would highly recommend it. I'm taking that as you see. I'm getting prepared for the exam itself as well. And after the exam, I'm gonna also share the review for the exam also with you. Let's go and have a look in one of the labs and see how it looks. Yeah, so I have one lab here. So this lab is it's just an example, and it's from Introduction to AI Security, and it's gonna be I just took the shortest one, so hosting files using HTTP server. So the good thing is that you don't need to set up the labs, you don't need to do anything. Yeah, everything is happening in your browser. Yeah, so you click on the labs that you want, and then you come here. So this lab is about hosting file using HTTP servers, and then it is showing you can extend it is showing and explaining you what it is and which commands we have to use or how it is. And for example, let's say we want to make HTTP server. Yeah, so first we should create a HTTP file and just we copy it and then we paste it here. Yeah, so let me first double. So we just copy the comments and we paste it in our terminal, and now this is the first part. Then we can write, okay, now we can run the code again. We copy it here and we paste it there. So you can see now the server is there. So server is on, and let's say here, okay, this works only for Python 3. So, and if you have Python 2, you can use this one. And now the file can be accessed. So if we click here, opening that file, so you can see now this is the files on our server. So on our test server which we have here. So it is also explaining you some other stuff, right? For example, you know, providing you more explanation of everything there, and also you can ask here, so explain this to me in detail. So if you click here, now it is showing you, okay, this is HTML file, it's going to do this one. So it's explaining everything in detail, which I really like it. And as you see, there are lots of more labs. Yeah, so this course I found it really practical, especially for those security people who are trying to attack, defend, or find the vulnerabilities in AI models and LLMs, so large language models. I'm gonna write the exam in coming weeks, and after that I will provide also more detailed videos. So just to share some more informations here as well, if you want to have the content of the course, so you can check again here. So let's say, for example, threat modeling we just saw, or supply chain attacks. You can see again there are some videos there. A lot of labs here, so there are mandatory and optional labs. So optional labs are more advanced, so it gives you more understanding and need more time to be achieved and to be solved. But yeah, this is the course generally, and yeah, I think it's a good course. So you can get the course, and if you are thinking about an AI course, I would highly recommend this course. Yeah, so I really like that. I hope this video was helpful for you, and yeah, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.